So here's a question for the ages. What is fair use? Fair use is a copyright concept that sort of kind of lends itself over toward trademark use as well. But we'll talk about copyright exclusively because that's really where fair use lives. Fair use is a limitation on the rights of copyright holders. Okay, copyright holders have the right to reproduce their copyrighted works, and these are exclusive rights. Reproduce their copyrighted works, to prepare derivative works, to distribute copies of their copyrighted works through sale or other transfer of ownership, to publicly perform their works, to publicly display their works, and to publicly perform their works by means of a digital audio transmission. Fair use, on the other hand, limits this so that things like criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, which may include multiple copies for classroom use, scholarship, or research. If you take a snippet of this copyrighted work for those uses, it's not considered an infringement of copyright. Well, that's a pretty fuzzy definition. So the courts have come up with 4 factors to determine fair use. And we'll go through each of those factors in another video. But the upshot of all of these factors of fair use is that the whole thing gets summed up with the results of these 4 questions that get asked. And then the judge goes back to the preamble of the statute, which is the thing that says that that it's okay to use it for comment and criticism and whatnot. And then the judge applies an equitable rule of reason, which basically means the judge listens to his or her gut, and then decides for themselves whether a particular use is fair use. So if you think that something that you are putting out is fair use, maybe not. Give me a call, Nancy Delane, 518-371-4599.